The following segment is sponsored by Tillamook. The holiday season is here, and it's time to start planning your holiday. The following segment is sponsored by Tillamook. The holiday season is here, and it's time to start planning your holiday menus. Here to share their favorite recipes and tips for cooking up Instagram-worthy dishes, our New York Times best-selling cookbook author and pie expert, Erin McDowell, and ice cream scientist, Ian Moppert. Welcome to the show, both of you. It's great to see you.
Thanks so much for having us.
Hi, thank you.
Of course. Okay, Erin, as a professional baker, what will you be cooking up for your friends and family? We got to know.
Well, I really like recipes that still kind of pay homage to classic holiday flavors, but are not afraid of a little bit of a bold twist. So with the Tillamook Friendsgiving menu, we have a lot of options. First up, this honey roasted butternut squash crostini. It's on a bed of creamy Tillamook original cream cheese. So you get a little bit of that tang, that creaminess paired with the that caramelized butternut squash. It is an epic flavor combination, kind of a nice way to greet your guests right when they walk in the door.
Yes.
But no table, in my opinion, would be complete without some flaky biscuits. I'm a big biscuit fan, and it's a little bit easier to make than some of your dinner roll recipes that use yeast. This is loaded with Tillamook sharp cheddar, one of my favorite cheeses that they make, and it's paired with this gochujang compound butter. So that sweet and spicy pepper paste paired with that creamy Tillamook butter, it's really going to take these over the top. And then in my family, I have some picky eaters. So I always like to bring a few kind of undisputed crowd pleasers to the table. This pimento mac and cheese really delivers. You get a little bit of smokiness from the pimento, but most importantly, you get tons of Tillamook sharp cheddar shreds. You get that delicious extra creamy Tillamook butter. It's indulgent, it's decadent. You're not going to have any leftovers of this one, even if you wish you did.
Yes, I will take all of that. That sounds delicious. And Ian, as an actual ice cream scientist, tell us why we should be buying Tillamook ice cream.
So aside from the fact that it's just better, so we at Tillamook really strive to do right by our fans. So what this translates to is the fact that we use the highest quality premium ingredients that are available to us, coupled with the fact that we also have a much higher butterfat and cream content. And so what that means is that every single scoop of Tillamook will be decadent, rich, smooth, and creamy. And so what this means is that from every scoop, from the first to the last, you get that true same experience that we really like to provide. So we actually have two new holiday offerings this season. The first of which is going to be our peppermint bark ice cream. This will be a peppermint ice cream with smashed candy cane bits and white chocolate chunks throughout. And then also, secondly, we have my personal favorite, which is going to be our holiday sugar cookie. So this is going to be a rich, decadent cookie dough base with holiday sugar cookie dough pieces strewn throughout, and then creme brulee sprinkles to cap it off. It is absolutely phenomenal.
Oh, both of you are making my mouth water. All of that sounds delicious. Where can we go to find more?
You can get all of these recipes and tons more information at tillamook.com. And don't forget to follow on Instagram and TikTok too, TILLAMOOK.com.
Amazing. Thank you, Erin and Ian. Have a wonderful holiday season.
Thanks,
Excellent.
and to you.
Thank you.